Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Automatic Serpentine Belt Tensioner Pulley Assembly. This automatic serpentine belt tensioner pulley assembly is specifically for various Ford trucks and vans from 1997 to 2003, which have the 7.3 liter diesel engine, including the F250, F350, Econoline, or Club Wagon vans. This is a direct replacement for the factory part number BT50. What this part does is, using the serpentine belt, it transports power to the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning, and it keeps it all running smoothly and effectively from the crank pulley. This automatic design allows for the tensioner to compensate small hiccups while the engine is running, while your alternator, power steering, or AC don't skip a beat. To know if you need a replacement automatic serpentine belt tensioner pulley assembly, you may be hearing grinding or squeaking noise from the front of your vehicle, or you're experiencing too much or too little slack in your serpentine belt, which makes your power steering or alternator not work consistently, or you're cracking or blowing belts. If this stops working altogether, you may even overheat your engine as well. This replacement automatic serpentine belt tensioner is designed as a direct replacement thanks to the factory mounting point right here in the middle, but it has redesigned pulleys which enable smooth operation, while the torsional round spring design provides consistent tension and durability. If you have any questions about this replacement automatic serpentine belt tensioner pulley assembly, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.